Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my tips and recommendations on your first luxury handbag purchases. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. First of all, let me sharing my personal experiences on my first luxury handbag purchases. I purchased my first luxury handbags in my college year during my junior year, and the bag that I purchased at that time is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in the monogram. I did a tons of researches at that time as well. I'm trying to find the timeless, elegant pieces and I can use a lot of times and it never go out of style. I have a lot of thoughts and researches on them and I finally decided on the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in the classic monogram. The Speedy 30 is a really good bag to start off. Consider the price tag, the values of the bags, and also the durabilities of the bag. But the only one downside on the monogram is because the pochette leather will tarnish and you will have wear and tear on them very easily, and also you cannot wear it in the rain. If I'm gonna going back and offer you advice on what bags should you purchase for your first luxury bags, I would recommend the Speedy 25 in the Damier Ebene size, or the Neverfull in size in Damier Ebene. So those are the two bags I would recommend if you are looking to purchase your first luxury handbag. First of all, if you want to find just only one bag, especially your first one, you want to find something timeless and never go out of style. And those are very classic styles that Louis Vuitton haven't changed for years. The reason I'm offering you these two bags, you can choose either one, is because those two bags are totally different bags, totally different lifestyles. For the 25, you can fit all of your daily essentials and you can do it day and night. So if you do not have a laptop to carry with to go to school or go to work, if you every day you only carry your essentials, this will be good enough for all purpose. You definitely can fit a wallet, your car key, your phone, even a water bottle, a scarf, sunglasses cases, everything, basic things that you need, you can fit in. But as for the folders, binders, laptops, and those one does not work out here. Okay, and as to the Neverfull what's so good about this bag is if you are a student, you have to carry really big textbooks or laptop, or if you are a young working professional for your work, you have to carry your laptop with you every day, then I would say go for the Neverfull. Both of them are really good choices. It just depends on your lifestyle. So that's the first point. It's timeless, never go out of style. And do not buy the seasonal pieces. Even for the Neverfull, Louis Vuitton nowadays coming up to those colorful Neverfull. They change the color a little bit, the print, the leather a little bit. You can feel free to buy if you want to, you really like those seasonal color. But if you are only getting one bag or it's just gonna be your first bag, I would not recommend the seasonal pieces, because surely next season or even next year, it's very easy, people on the street will point that that's a bag from 2020 or 2018. It's an old bag. You don't want that for your forever piece or timeless piece. Number two you want to think about is definitely the durabilities. You definitely want to find a bag that can last really long. That's why I would recommend the Damier Ebene, because it does not have the pochette leather and it will look just brand new if you're taking proper maintenance. Even this Neverfull, you guys know that I have this bag for at least 4 years, but it still look very new. the time does not change this bag. But if you are using a Monogram or Damier Azur bag, you will definitely see the color tarnish on the handles, and that's the sign of ages. After 5 or 10 years, you probably do not want to bring this bag out because it will looks like an old bag. Number 3 is that you want to find something for daily use. Since this is your first luxury purchase, I'm pretty sure you want to purchase a bag that has a multi-function, that you can use it most of the times and you can get most out of use. Since those are luxury items, they're high-priced items. If you are considering getting most out of use, and definitely you want to find something easier to take care of and can be used for daily, these Damier Ebene print that you can use during the sunny weather and also the raining weather. You don't have to worry about anything. You just need a small cloth to wipe it off if it's get on the dirt. It's not showing too much. So definitely, if you're considering a good for daily use, definitely those 2 bags, highly recommend. Those are canvas bag, those are not leather bag. So first, the canvas bag, one of the biggest advantages is very light. So once you put everything in, it will feel light compared to the leather bag. And another thing is that it's very easy to take care of. It does not afraid of water, and because those are canvas, not leather. It can be touched with water and it's easy wipe off. It won't damage your bag. Number 4 is you have to also consider about the resale values. Those 2 bags, Louis Vuitton bags, Chanel bags, and Hermes bags, are 3 brands that you will get really good resale values. And compared to a 5,000 Chanel right now, I think Louis Vuitton bag is more of affordable, and also it has that classic look. It's very easy to use, it's very light, it's functioning of that. And also for those 2 bags, you can almost get, if you maintain it pretty well like this, you can pretty much get the money that you spend on them back if you decided to sell them. They have a really good resale market. Okay, that is all about it. I hope everybody can get their first luxury handbag as soon as possible, and I hope this video definitely give you some information or some ideas. If you like this type of video, do not forget to like this video and comment down below if you have questions, and also subscribe to my channel. That would be really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.